Imagine starting from the tough streets of New Orleans, facing hardships like losing your mother at a young age, and rising to become one of the wealthiest figures in the entertainment industry. This is the story of Ronald Slim Williams, the silent mastermind behind Cash Money Records. While his brother Birdman took the spotlight, Slim built an empire worth millions, shaping the careers of global icons like Drake, Nicki Minaj, and Lil Wayne. This isn't just a story of music, it's a story of resilience, vision, and unparalleled success. Ronald Williams was born in New Orleans in 1964. Tragedy struck early when his mother passed away in 1975, leaving him and his siblings in the care of their father, Johnny Williams. However, life was far from easy. Slim spent 2 years in foster care, an experience that taught him resilience and independence. This challenging childhood shaped his focus on business and strategy over personal fame. Even in the early days of Cash Money, Slim preferred to stay out of the spotlight, letting his brother Birdman take center stage. Behind the scenes, Slim's sharp business acumen drove the label's vision and strategy, laying the foundation for its phenomenal success. In 1991, Ronald Slim Williams co-founded Cash Money Records with his younger brother, Birdman Williams. What started as a small label in New Orleans soon became one of the most influential forces in hip-hop. The turning point came in 1998 when the duo negotiated a groundbreaking $30 million distribution deal with Universal Music Group. The terms were unprecedented. Cash Money retained 85% of royalties, 50% of publishing revenue, and complete ownership of all masters, a move that secured long-term financial dominance. The label's early roster included rising stars like Juvenile, BG, Turk, and the Hot Boys, whose albums collectively sold over 45 million units. However, it was the discovery of Lil Wayne that truly catapulted Cash Money to global stardom. As Lil Wayne grew into a hip-hop icon, the label's success snowballed, attracting high-profile artists like Drake and Nicki Minaj. Today, Cash Money's legacy is cemented, with over 500 million singles sold and a valuation exceeding $300 million. The 1990s were pivotal for Cash Money Records. With stars like Juvenile leading the charge, the label dominated hip-hop, particularly in the South. Juvenile's album 400 Degrees and hits like Back That Ass Up became cultural phenomena, selling 9 million records in 1999 alone. In 2005, Hurricane Katrina devastated New Orleans, forcing Slim and his team to relocate to Miami. Rather than hindering progress, this move ushered in a new era of innovation. Lil Wayne's Young Money Entertainment was launched, further expanding the Cash Money empire and introducing the world to megastars like Drake and Nicki Minaj. The roster of Cash Money and Young Money artists quickly became some of the highest-earning figures in the music industry. By 2012, Lil Wayne, Drake, and Nicki Minaj were generating $60 million annually for the label. Over the next decade, this revenue grew to an astonishing $250 million. Slim's ability to identify and nurture talent, paired with his strategic business moves, played a critical role in achieving this level of success. Beyond music, Slim Williams diversified his ventures to build a vast business empire. He founded RW2 Enterprises, a consulting firm that guides aspiring entrepreneurs using his decades of experience. Additionally, he and his brother ventured into the energy sector with Bronal Oil and Gas, operating in regions such as Texas, Louisiana, Florida, and Central America. Today, Slim Williams has a net worth of $150 million, making him one of the wealthiest figures in the entertainment industry. His business ventures and investments continue to thrive, further solidifying his legacy. Slim's real estate portfolio is as impressive as his business empire. In 2012, he secretly acquired South Florida's largest home for $7 million in cash. This sprawling estate boasts 9 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, indoor and outdoor swimming pools, a tennis court, and a movie theater, spread over 4 acres of land. In addition to this mansion, Slim owns other luxurious properties. These include a 4,000 square featuring Miami home with gourmet kitchens, state-of-the-art security, and lush landscaping, as well as a $5 million countryside estate in Louisiana featuring custom woodwork, a chef's kitchen, and an outdoor negative edge pool with a spa and waterfall. While Slim's brother Birdman is known for his flashy lifestyle, Slim prefers understated elegance. His car collection includes luxury vehicles like the Mercedes Maybach S680 and the Rolls-Royce Phantom, both epitomizing sophistication. Despite his immense wealth, Slim's refined taste and reserved demeanor set him apart in an industry often defined by extravagance. Like many industry moguls, Slim has faced his share of legal challenges. In 2017, he was arrested for marijuana possession during a road trip. Between 2009 and 2012, Cash Money Records faced multiple lawsuits, including a $1.5 million judgment in favor of EMI Music over unpaid licensing fees for Lil Wayne's album Tar Carter 3. Additionally, disputes over royalties and delayed music releases led to further legal entanglements with artists. Despite these challenges, Slim navigated these SSUES while maintaining Cash Money's dominance. Ronald Slim Williams is the ultimate embodiment of quiet power. From transforming the hip-hop industry to building a legacy that extends far beyond music, Slim's journey is a testament to resilience, vision, and strategic brilliance. His low-profile approach, coupled with his impactful contributions to business and community, ensures his place as a legendary figure in entertainment history.